My brother, when he came from England in the year 1975, he saw me very lean. He said, "Oh, you must eat egg," because he became an agrarian there. So he said, "You eat egg." So he used to give me egg. It was very difficult for me to put the egg in my mouth. But after some time, I developed a taste for it also. I was liking my omelets. For 3 years I didn't. But at that time I didn't know meditation. In the year 1979, when I came to know about meditation, I stopped all the egg. I said, "It's wrong." My brother put that egg into me, and he started eating all meat. My own brother. So I left my brother. "You are a stupid fellow. I don't like you. Anybody who is eating meat is a wrong fellow. I won't even talk to them. Whether my brother or my sister, so what?" My sister eldest was doing wall worship, so I left her. My brother was eating meat, so I left him. "You are not a meditator, so I am with you. You are a meditator, therefore I am with you."
Hi masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.